Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your professional network with Meetup, detailed guide step by step clearly. Create a Meetup account if you haven't already. Visit the Meetup website and click on the sign up button. Fill in the required fields, including your email address and a password. Once registered, complete your profile with relevant information about your interests and professional background. Search for groups related to your industry or areas of interest. Use keywords that describe your profession or hobbies to narrow down your search. Join groups that resonate with you, as this will provide access to community events. Take a moment to introduce yourself in the group discussions. Engage regularly with group members by commenting on posts and sharing valuable insights. Attend local meetups that align with your professional goals. Prepare a brief elevator pitch to introduce yourself during these events. Network actively while at the meetups, initiate conversations with attendees. After meeting new contacts, connect on LinkedIn to maintain the relationship. Follow up with an email or message expressing your pleasure in meeting them. Consider organizing your own meetup to share your expertise and build your network. Plan the event around a topic that showcases your skills or interests. Promote your meetup through social media and within your professional circles. Encourage attendees to bring a guest, which can expand your networking opportunities. Collect feedback after each event to improve future meetups and understand attendees' needs. Continue participating in various meetups to diversify your network. By consistently attending and engaging, you'll foster connections that can help your career. With patience and dedication, your professional network will thrive through Meetup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.